Creating a Bitpay wallet is simple and allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency securely. Follow these steps to set up your Bitpay wallet. Download the Bitpay app. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Bitpay. Download and install the Bitpay app. Open the app. Launch the app once it's installed on your device. Sign up or log in. If you're new to Bitpay, tap on Create Account and follow the prompts to sign up by entering your email address and creating a password. If you already have an account, simply log in. Set up your wallet. After logging in, tap on the Wallet tab in the app. Bitpay will ask you to create a wallet. You can choose between different cryptocurrencies. Select the desired cryptocurrency for your wallet and follow the instructions to create it. Back up your recovery phrase. Bitpay will generate a 12-word recovery phrase. Write it down and store it safely, as this is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access to the app. Start using your wallet. Your wallet is now set up. You can start receiving, sending, and managing your cryptocurrency.